So you want to leverage the power of self-hypnosis, but you got no idea how to start. Let's fix that right now. Here's Mike Mandel.
Thank you. Well, basically, all hypnosis is, at least at its core, self-hypnosis. Hypnosis is something that you are doing, not something that is happening to you. So when you're the one doing it, it is self-hypnosis. But even when you're guided by a professional hypnotist to go into trance, guess what? It's still self-hypnosis because you are the one responding and choosing to do all the things that they are suggesting.
Absolutely.
Understanding the unconscious mind and trance is a really key thing here. So tell about our model.
All right, so we would tend to think the simplistic way to look at this is you have a conscious mind and an unconscious mind. Now, we don't want to get into all the different levels of, well, there's the superconsciousness, the subconscious, and the unconscious. Just conscious, unconscious.
Easier.
You're either consciously aware of things or you're not.
Correct.
And you're either consciously able to control things, let's say your blood pressure, your heart synchronization, etc., which you can't typically control consciously, or they're unconsciously controlled. So it's that unconscious mind that makes the real and lasting change, because if you could have changed things consciously, you already would have done it already. Right. So you can easily access your unconscious mind, and Mike's going to give you a step-by-step guide.
Okay, self-hypnosis, keep it simple. There's just going to be clear statements you're going to make in advance and let your unconscious mind run the hypnosis session. You're not going to say, I'm going deeper, I'm doing, no, that doesn't work very well. So first of all, decide the duration. How long do you want to stay in trance? 20 minutes is plenty. 20 minutes, 30 minutes works really well. You can use it as a power nap. So you've got the amount of time. What about the purpose?
Purpose. So once you know how long you're going to be in trance, you're just going to say, well, what's my purpose? Let's say my purpose here is to motivate myself so that I always make amazing choices with my food, something like that.
That sounds pretty good.
Target the positive, not the, I don't want to eat so much junk food. Give yourself a positive intention.
What you do want. And then the final outcome. Describe how you're going to feel when you come out of hypnosis. Now, there's only two choices. Either I'll go into trance for 20 minutes to, deal with whatever this thing is in my life, but I will awaken feeling refreshed and alert, or I will awaken feeling tired and ready for bed.
Which should only be done if you're doing this before bedtime, right? So how long, what purpose, how are you going to feel when you exit your trance? And then it's just a matter of trusting the process. So let's talk about the process of putting yourself in that trance, and what do you do once you're there?
Right. Well, trance is about engaging your unconscious mind by shifting your focus inward. Now, while relaxation often accompanies this state, the key is allowing your unconscious to take the lead and trusting what it does. One of the ways I like teaching self-hypnosis is a very simple method. It's called breathing with the eyes. Now, you can't really breathe through your eyes, but it gives you a model for doing this. So you've given yourself the statement of your purpose and how long and how you're going to feel when you come out of it. You've done that clearly. Now you're going to do the induction. Find something to look at across the room. Stare at a point and breathe in. And as you breathe in, imagine you're breathing in through your eyes and open your eyes wide. Right now. So he's going to open his eyes wide. Breathe in. And exhale and close your eyes and relax. And we do that 2 more times. And the third time, you keep your eyes shut. So breathe in, open your eyes wide. So I'll just do it one more time, right? Yeah, one more time. Just pretend it's 3. The number doesn't matter. Exhale, close your eyes and relax. That's it. Now, whether you feel a deep change or just a subtle shift, trust that your unconscious is doing exactly what needs to be done. And just stay there. And let your thoughts go wherever they go, and you'll come out of it at the end of your 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Trust that it's worked. Now, I do want to say that while self-hypnosis is powerful, working with a well-trained hypnotist can greatly enhance your experience because they can trance you out, set up, anchors that will fire or triggers that will fire, post-hypnotic suggestions that you can do things to go into a deep trance. The easiest way is to experience it at the hands of a professional hypnotist first, and then you'll find it very easy to get back there once you know what it feels like for you.
Right. Now, the one quick point I just want to leave you with before we end this video is, what do you do after you do the breathing with the eyes and you're in trance and you were saying you just trust the process? Here's what the classic mistake would be: consciously controlling the session. Okay, so instead of trying to consciously control and asking yourself, is this working, etc., you have set your intention, you've closed your eyes, you're now in trance. Let your unconscious mind just present you with thoughts, and let your conscious mind be entertained by what's going on.
Yeah.
And just enjoy the process. Let your unconscious run it. That's what we really need.
Yes, relax and enjoy it. It will work. And since hypnosis is a learning state, the more you do self-hypnosis, the better you'll get at it. I severely injured my back in Winnipeg years ago after a slip and fall in a shower. And I was taken to the hospital by ambulance, and I was in so much pain before they could treat it, I would just trance out for the pain relief and go into hypnosis until the doctor came in to treat me, because by then I got really good at going into it really quickly. You will do the same.
All right, now if you want to learn more about self-hypnosis, we do have an entire video course called Easy Self-Hypnosis. It happens to be included in the Mike Mandel Hypnosis Academy, so if you join the Academy, you'll get that for no extra charge. You can buy it separately on our website if you want. We'll put a link to it in the description under this video. But to get started learning more about hypnosis, to be a hypnotist, to help hypnotize yourself, help other people, etc., check out the Mike Mandel Hypnosis Academy. There's a link in the description under this video. You can get started with a free test drive, and it rocks. So with that said, we may as well just remind you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Ring that bell once you hit the subscribe button so you're always notified of our videos, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thanks again.
And good night.